Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera, and I am gonna show you guys today on how I've been making money with Ethereum. Guys, Ethereum has been having some crazy fluctuations where you can buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, and make money. That's what I've been doing, guys. I've been making some pretty decent money trading the fluctuations in Ethereum, and let me tell you, it's been paying out pretty well. Granted, there is ways to make a lot more money, but I am also I'm a pretty risk. I don't take the 10 huge risks. I take very calculated risks, and I've been making money. And today I'm gonna show you how. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna tell you how I've been doing it. I'm gonna show you, and if you don't know what Ethereum is, I'm gonna touch on it at the end of the video. But please make sure you know what Ethereum is, because it will change the game, guys. If you don't own Ethereum, please buy some. I've been trading Ethereum since the days it was like $2 a coin. And guess how much it is a coin? It's almost $2,000 a coin. $2,000 a coin. Guess what? I used to trade that stuff when it was like $2 a coin, and I didn't keep it. And do I regret it? Yeah, I kick myself in the pants every day for not, keeping those Ethereum coins. But I did have the foresight of Bitcoin. Without further ado, guys, I'm gonna show you how I did it. So let's get started. Alrighty, everybody. So guys, as I was mentioning, guys, the Ethereum coins have been giving you so many fluctuation points where you can make money if you have been paying attention to the charts. If you've learned how to read charts, it's very easy to make money from Ethereum. In these past couple of weeks, even months, I've been making quite a decent amount of money just running these fluctuations and making money from them. So watch, I will show you what I'm talking about. So look, if you guys had paying attention, on January 1st, Ethereum was only $721 a coin. You could have written the $721 to the very top, and you could have gone a 83% return at $13.43. That means if you would have invested $1,000, you probably would have made about $800 on that return, on that pop alone, which was from January 1st essentially to about January 10th. So in 10 days, if you would have put in $1,000, you would have made $800 in 10 days. That is not bad at all. And so oops, what did I do? Sorry guys. Ethereum, here we go. Sorry. Okay, so as I was saying, sorry about the grunting. I don't know what that was. I sound like a caveman. You would have been able to take your money out if you've been able to read the chart correctly. You would have known that here it was overbought. If you had the RSI, the MACD, and all those indicators present, you would have been able to see that, look, Ethereum's gonna have a drop, and it did. It had a 27% drop on January 10th, but you could have also came back in, written it here. You would have written here for a 22% return. Guys, a 22% return is not bad at all. If you invest in $100, it'd be $20. If you invest in 1,000, it would be 200. And this would have happened in a matter of from the 13th to about the 15th. In 2 days, a 20% return is very, very good. So you could have had the opportunity here to write it back up. You could have, dipped it down, wrote it back up here. You could have entered here, made money here. On January 18th, you could have written it to about 16% return. Once again, not bad again. You would have, if you know how to read the charts correctly, you know that it was overbought, and then it dipped down again to about 1122. From 1122 to about 1422, that's a 28% return right there. From the 22nd to the 25th, 3 days, you would have been able to write a 28% return, guys. So guys, this is, as you guys can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. You buy low, you sell high. You learn how to read charts, you pay attention to the charts, and you run and you make money. Right here, once again, on February 1st, it was 1311. You would have been able to ride it all the way up to about 1749, which is a 33% return on your money. Now, granted, if you're going in with $20,000, a 30% return on $20,000 is $6,000 in about 5 days. And now, obviously, if you don't have that kind of money, of course, 100% okay, but you could have earned a 33% return even on $500. That would have been, let's see, 10% would have been 50. You would have made $150 in a matter of 4 days. Now, doing basically just paying attention to the charts. As you guys could see, look how many opportunities we have of riding the charts all the way down, all the way up. You gotta learn how to read charts, guys. It's very, very important. You could also short Ethereum. You could short it, meaning you can make money on the way down. If you know how to short, you could have written that short right there for 24% return. Just because the price of a commodity is going down doesn't mean you just lose money. You can make money when it goes down if you know how to read these charts. 24% you could have gone right there. Now another one here, you could have gotten another couple percent there. You would have written it back up if you were just waiting for a pop-up. Right there you would have gotten 20%. Boom. Right here you could have gotten another 27%. So guys, as you guys could see, I'm making it very simple. I'm just telling you, learn how to read charts, learn how to how to read the RSI, relative strength index, the MACD. Learn how to read volume, learn how to read candlesticks. Learn how to read the fundamentals of price actions, and you will make money, guys. This is how I've been making money the past couple of weeks. I made a video a couple of weeks ago where I had made money on Ethereum, and I'm gonna show you guys here. I'm still up money as well. I mean, I keep making money all the time. As you guys could see, I'm up $800 there. No big, easy money, guys. I mean, I cashed that out and made a quick $800. I've been doing this for the past couple of weeks. Make $800 here and there, make $500 here and there, 2,000, 100. As we could see on Bitcoin as well, I'm up $2,375. Easy money, guys. I'm just riding the fluctuations, and then I'm gonna buy some Bitcoin and hold it forever. So with this money, I'm gonna buy actual Bitcoin on a Coinbase wallet and hold the actual asset for a long time until it's worth millions of dollars, which it will be. So this is very easy to do, guys. You learn how to read charts and you learn how to make money. Granted, my equity here is close to $15,000. So that's quite a bit of money for some people, but that doesn't mean you need to put in $15,000 to make money. You could put in $100, $1,000, even a 20% return on $1,000 is $200. I'm not telling you guys exactly that you need to put in this kind of money. I'm not a financial advisor. Please remember that, guys. I'm just telling you that these numbers are non-binary. A 20% return is a 20% on return on $100, on $1,000, on $10,000, or $100,000. It's still a 20% return, 18% return, as I have right here, guys. So it just goes to show you that the numbers are exponential given to the amount of money that you put in. So that's kind of it, guys. So as you guys could see, that's how you could easily make money riding Ethereum, guys. That's pretty much the gist of it, guys.
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you I was gonna show you how to make some money? Bam! So that's, guys, that is how I've been making money trading Ethereum. It's not rocket science. Buy low, sell high, learn how to read charts, learn how to foresee what is coming in the future, and you will be able to make money, guys. It's not rocket science. You just put some money in when the price of the asset is low, you wait for it to go up, and you sell out and you make money. Guys, can't get any easier than that. The internet is a money making machine. It's here for you. It's here for you to take advantage of it. If you haven't been taking advantage of it,
I suggest you learn how. I'm just here to tell you that it's possible. It's something that everybody kind of just brushes off like, oh yeah, the internet, you can make money on that. Guys, there is so much money in the internet, in decentralized financial technology. It's stupid. I'm sorry for the word, but it's really crazy how much money you can make. I haven't even tapped the surface of how much money you can make in decentralized financial technology, and I've been doing pretty okay. And I think anybody who wants and anybody who tries can make this kind of money. So it's all up to you guys. And guys, please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Remember, you can always get out of the rat race too. Bam! See you guys next time.